Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
Hi everyone, I want to share with you my experience using this product, Okinawaflatbelly, because I really think he can help you in the fat loss as helped me. So stay tuned till the end of this video because my experience using this product can really help you. First of all, you can only buy Okinawaflatbelly in this official website, okay? So to help you, I left this link in the description of this video. Is the first link. Why you should buy Okinawaflatbelly? Well, because I think this product really can help you as helped me. I lose about 25 pounds, as you can see in this photograph that I will show you now. But you have to be alert with one thing. Some people are telling that Okinawaflatbelly can help you to lose, can make you lose belly fat doing nothing. This is not true. You will not lose weight if you don't act. You have to make exercises, you have to make your diet and everything else you are doing already, okay? Because only that Okinawaflatbelly will act in your body and increase your metabolism and boost your fat loss, okay? But before you have great result using this Okinawaflatbelly, you have to buy at least 3 bottles, okay? I bought 6 because it was cheaper for me, so I take this for a better price. As you can see, it's the best value that we can get here. But at least 3 bottles you have to buy to see great results in your body, okay? If you buy 1 bottle, you will not see result and will think that Okinawaflatbelly doesn't work, which is not true. You have 100% satisfaction guarantee. As you can see here, you have 90 days using this product for see if it's worth it for you, okay? You have the testimonials here in this official website, and this is it, folks. I really hope my video can help you. Just to remind you, you make diet, exercise, and add Okinawaflatbelly, at least 3 bottles. You really will see great results in your body. I guarantee you. As you can see, I'm gonna show you my pictures again. I lose that about being struggling so much with my weight. I was in plateau, so I add Okinawaflatbelly and all the things start to work again in my body, the metabolism, the fat loss and everything else. Really helped me. I guarantee can help you too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, click the like button, and this is it. Thank you.
So do yourself and your business a favor. Join today. You have all the facts, so click the link below to get started today.